Hi guys, welcome to Data Analyze course. So guys, in this full stack course, we're going to learning step by step from start to end project. So guys, if you are ready to start to learning like this amazing uh, project, so this course is for you. If you really want to achieve your dreams, or if you really want to find a good job to in IT companies, you want to learn it to become a master in data analysis or to master in data science. So this course is going to be for you because I'm going to start this project from start to end. You are going to build this portfolio. After this course, you are going to make a perfect portfolio. You are going to use it in your dreams job in IT companies. So this is just not in your country. Wherever you go, so you are going to find a job. So everywhere in the around the world, you are going to find job. Or if you want to, after this course, you want to start up in your own company, or you want to become a as freelancer, and then you are going to create a like this dashboard. You are going to solve like a big companies, big project data. You're going to solve like this, and then you are going to earn some money. So many people they are doing like these things and then they not even work hard. So this course is for you. And I'm going to show you how to work this dashboard. So this dashboard is created by road accidents. So it's a big data from USA data. So we already created. We took that data and then we already analyzed. So I already analyzed here, and then you are going to also take this data. I'm going to share with you uh, when I start in the course. So you are going to get the data, and then we are going to learning step by step. So I'm going to sharing with you and how it's work and how it's look. Okay, so guys, this is the data. Look guys, how it work. We have here KPIs. So we create here slides. We just select all, want to work, and then uh, we have a fine. You see in the accidents, we have a light, and people there is injuries and light reports, and we have a fog, you see, and then we have a rain, you see, and we have agricultures, and then we have a bike, and then we have a buses, we have a car, and then we have other, and then we have a van, and you see here. Let's go to the weather and conditions and then look here how it's work as a rest on running. You see in the all the weather is changed. Uh, you see everywhere you clean, it's everything is working. So we want to, you see here our data is showing the USA. See where the uh, this data where it came from, and then the most of accidents for where you see here in this area you seeing. Let's go to, we want to zoom. Look guys, if you want to zoom, and we can see uh, from which states or which cities. So look guys, this is the amazing things you are guys going to do it. You see here in the huge you know uh, accidents, and then it is a very a lot of traffic here, you see. So the most of accidents come from here, and if we don't want it, we can maximum guys to look guys, we can make it very small. This is the things you are going to how to do it. I'm going to build this project from start to end. We are going to build like this one. So this one I just shown you how to how it looks and to understanding, and then about the data analyze. So in the Power BI artificial intelligence, you are going to do so many things after this course. Then you're going to learn so many things here on this project. And after this one, you are going to create exactly like this one, the same dashboard, and then you are going to do it by your own. So it's perfect. This is the data. Everything's working. There is nothing, like a missing here. And then I'm going to share with you something else. Okay. So guys, you can come here to download Power BI on your desktop. How to download? You enter your email and then submit, and then it's going to tell you if you use this email in Power BI or not. So guys, you are going to here, and then if you have a free version here, you see here, and then you're going to get, or you're going to sign up in your account. If you have already, you're going to sign up. So and then you download. It's a very easy to download. If you don't know how to guide download, I'm going to show you also to download. And then if you have any question, write me on the comment. I'm going to start to show you. You are going to become a full stack data analyst, guys. If you are new here on my channel, on the like subscribe, you are going to never miss one of my tutorials. You are always going to get a notification, and then to you know if there's a new course or if there's a new video you are going to learning. And then guys, if you are also, if there's your friends or anyone interested want to learning, so please guys sharing, and then so they can also learning because they're all for free. And then guys, if you are just giving appreciation, likes and subscribe. So that's the what I want to share with you. So thank you. I'm looking forward to see you on my next tutorial. We are going to start to learning very soon. So bye for now.